The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lipscomb County, southeastern Nicholson County, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Perryton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Lipscomb and Wolf Creek Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Amarillo. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Lipscomb and Uckley.